Welcome. In this video, I want to use a compass and a straight edge to copy an angle. So what I'm going to do, let's draw our first angle here. No particular angle. We're going to make two line segments. Let's make it a little bit longer. There we go. Okay, there's two rays. This is going to be A. And then what we want to do is let's draw a arc first of all. I'm adjusting my compass now to get it about the right size. Okay, I'm going to put the needle at point A. Okay. Now let me adjust this out as far as I can to get a good arc. Okay, now I'll draw the arc right there. I said I'm going to leave my compass alone. I'm not going to change the dimensions of my compass. Now I'm going to extend this line out. So we're going to draw another one over here. Okay. So we're going to call this point B, point C. So this is going to be point D now. It's going to be start of this new ray and this new angle. So let's go over and draw this arc again here. Put it at point D. I'm drawing this arc over here. I transferred this arc from there to over here. Now what I want to do is I want to use my compass to measure the distance between CB. Okay, so right there is C. Get over here. I'm going to try to get the closest I can to get a good measurement. Okay, there we go. The needle is right there, and then the pencil is right there. So that's really pretty close. Now I'll draw this right here, put my point there, and let's call that point E, just so we can label it. We'll call that point E. Now put that at point E and draw this same arc. So I just transferred this arc from here over to here. Now what I want to do is draw another ray. I want to go from point D to this point right there where those intersect. And we'll call this point F. Now, if I've done this properly, this angle right here should be the same as this angle. Well, let's check it with a protractor. I put the index right there and put the baseline there, and it looks like it's 30 degrees. It's kind of odd. I drew a 30-degree angle. Okay, that goes to 30 right there. Let's see what this is. Okay, put the baseline there, and it's right at, well, this is about 31, so it's off just a tiny bit, but within the, let me get this on there exactly as I can. It's just slightly over 30, 30 and a half maybe. So within the error of precision of our instruments, we have copied this angle from here to here and verified it with a protractor. Hope you learned a little bit about these geometric constructions, and thank you for watching.